Hi, Dr. Jo Messenger here. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to talk about upbeat personalities. Having an upbeat personality doesn't just happen all by itself. It's a do-it-yourself project. And you don't have to be an extrovert to have an upbeat personality. You can be an introvert and still be upbeat in your daily life. If you would like to enjoy your life more than what you currently are, it's essential to maintain a positive outlook. A happy life requires a happy outlook. It's crucial to have an enthusiastic approach if you want an enthusiastic result. Staying positive and staying grateful through life's dilemmas can prove difficult, especially if a whole bunch of issues are coming at you at the same time. Contemplate your approach to life. How does your lifestyle and worldview influence or determine your attitudes and behaviours? Once you have clarity on your whys and wherefores, it's easier to make effective changes that take you towards more wellness and fulfillment and away from negativity and depression. Make a decided effort to change your unhealthy habits. By doing this, you'll be able to determine what's essential to you or not. As you change up your behaviours, you'll have the chance to enjoy a better life on multiple levels. You'll have the chance for an entirely better body, mind and spirit experience. And this will mean balancing your relationships and your work, balancing your income and expenditure, your being, your doing, your exercise and your rest, your thinking and your meditation. Look for ways to find healthy opportunities where you can spend more time favourably and enjoyably. As you balance your well-being, you'll be able to disengage yourself from unhealthy entanglements from your past and bring more pleasure and fulfillment into your life. Remember, until we meet again, laugh lots and you get more of what you think about.